loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is a very exciting video. It's gonna be all about my obsession, my life, my whole being, eyelashes, fake eyelashes to be exact. It's gonna be Lash 101. Yes, it's gonna be a boot camp. I'm gonna show you from start to finish. I'm gonna tell you the types of lashes. I'm gonna show you the types of hairs of lashes. I'm gonna show you glues, how to apply them, how to cut them, how to apply and how to make them look good or whatever. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, like this video if you like it. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. I'm trying to upload 2 times a week. I want to upload on Tuesdays and Fridays, but if you think I should upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, just let me know. You can also follow me on my vlog channel, which is MTZBeauty Vlogs, on my Instagram, MTZBeauty, my Twitter, MITZEL_ALONSO, or my Facebook, MTZBeauty by Mitzel, which I always link down here. So yeah, let's get into the video because I'm very excited to share with you my knowledge in fake eyelashes. Okay, so we're gonna start. This is gonna be a fast lesson. Let's do this. So when buying lashes, there are different types of lashes, different types of hairs, different types of glues. So yeah, so we're gonna start with the type of lashes. You got your super dramatic lash, like this ones. We also got this EYLURE lashes. So that's are more of a full volume lash. You also have your natural lash, that would be this ones. They look more natural. There can be a little bit long. Natural lash can go to very long but still looks natural, or very short that just looks as you have a little bit of mascara. You also have in your in-between lashes that are not so dramatic. I think this could be in between. They look natural but they're a little full glam. There are also different types of hair for your eyelashes. There are the synthetic lash, which most drugstore brands like EYLURE, Kiss, KOKO lashes use. These are more inexpensive eyelashes. Then you have your in-between one, which most brands marketed as a faux mink lash. Most brands use mink for their eyelashes. Faux mink just gives the appearance of that natural animal hair look. So these are the ARDELL Demi Wispies. This could be more natural and they look super pretty. And then you have your full-on natural animal hair. These are the Lily lashes, the Sephora collection in the style Rome. These are faux mink lashes, but the brand says they're cruelty-free. Most brands that say they're cruelty-free say that they go to barns where the hair of the mink that falls, they pick it up and do the lashes. I don't think it's true, but most brands that their lashes say mink do say that they do that. Like Huda Beauty, filler lashes also say that, but you never know what to believe. When it comes to applying the lash never has glue on it. I know the EYLURE lashes do have a little glue, but the other ones, it's just a thin layer of glue. They do a little bit of glue to just make them stay in there before you buy them. So 2 glues I am obsessed with, because I'm obsessed with lashes. I need to find the perfect glues. So these are the 2. I have tried so many glues and these are my ride and die. So we have the duo one. It's the brush on adhesive. What does that mean? It has a little brush where you just apply it to the lash and it makes it easier instead of squeezing out the glue and making a mess. This one, it's amazing. If you are on Ulta or the drugstore or anywhere else and you're looking to buy an eyelash glue, I would recommend this one. It's latex free, which most people are allergic to latex, so this is an amazing one. It's not that expensive, maybe $4. And the House of Lashes, it's $9 and it's also latex free, and this one will hold your lashes for the entire day. This is such a strong lash. The only downside of this, it can be a little bit difficult to take off. Yes, this is why we need glue. I gave you 2 different types of glue, whichever one you want to buy. So yes, now let's talk about the lash application. For the eyelash application, I do recommend having, of course, an eyelash, a glue, scissors, which this ones I bought. I don't know where I bought them, but I like to use, you can use any type of scissors. I just like to use small ones. And some tweezers. I don't know where I got these tweezers. I didn't buy them. They were here in my house, but I love these tweezers. Actually, some brands do make eyelash applicators. I don't like them because they're round. I like to be more precise and have a little bit pointy. But as you can see, it's not super pointy. It has like a little square point. Okay, for today, we're actually gonna go with the ones I just bought. So I'm gonna use these ones because I know I love them. These are the EYLURE Definition number 126. Casey Holmes, my queen, always said, I remember a long time ago, she said these were her favorites. Since then, I have been buying them. I also got one of my friends into it, Adriana. She's obsessed with them. You open the box and you got your eyelashes. EYLURE is very nice and they give you a little lash applicator, the lashes, and a little glue. We're not going to use any of them. And they also tell you which eyelash goes in which eye. That's why I love EYLURE. They're super nice to people who don't know anything about lashes. They teach you how to apply them in the back. So here you have your eyelashes. When it comes to taking them off the packaging, EYLURE is different from other brands. As you can see, other brands do have a complete like eye look, like an eye shape. EYLURE has this that separate them. It doesn't have anything here. But what I like to do is grab the lash from the band and pull it. You have to be very, there we go. You have to be very careful because you don't want to pull out the lashes. If you need a little bit of help, just take your tweezers and just grab them. And then you have your first lash. So first of all, you have to know which eye the eyelash goes. If you use the eyelashes that are more like a wing, what does that mean? In the inner corner, they're a little bit shorter, and when they go outwards, it goes like a wing. So this style, it's like a wing. It goes from short to long. So yes, the next thing we need to do is measure our eyes. Most lashes on me, because I have big eyes, do fit, but if they don't, I have to cut them. So first I need to see if they fit. Just taking a little mirror, we want to see if the eyelash fits. Okay. So most EYLURE lashes do fit on my eye. I think I can cut it a little, start a little bit in front of it, right here, because that's where I think it looks a little bit natural. So I just measured. I know I can cut a little. I need to cut it from the outside in, because if you cut it from the inside, you're gonna be left with super long lashes and then it's not gonna look natural. So I'm just gonna cut a little here, just a little tiny. It's better if you cut little by little instead of just wanking it all off. So we're gonna do it again. Yeah, that feels so much better. We don't want it hanging down here, because if it's a little bit long, it's gonna make your eye droop, and what we want from lashes is make them go up to the gods. So now we're gonna do the other eye. Again, gonna measure it. I don't know if you can see. The other one, I just need to cut the slightest bit. I'm just gonna keep measuring it until you just feel comfortable with it. We also don't want it to be super in or super out. what I don't like about EYLURE. Their lashes are so inconsistent. Sometimes it looks super weird. So both lashes are done. I did my eyeliner first. Most people like to do their eyeliner last, but I like to do it first because I have base for my eyelashes. So the next thing is curl your eyelashes, but super little. So what I do, I just take an eyelash curler and I go the 3 method. It's like pinch 3 times. So I go to the base of the lash and 1, then I go to the middle, and then I go to the tips. That's gonna make it more natural. Go again, base, middle, tips. I don't have lashes. Don't expect like boom. I only do this method when I'm applying fake eyelashes. To apply mascara, I just take any mascara that I see. The first one I see, I just take it. Right now, the first one I saw is the Essence Volume Stylist. When I apply lashes, I want my natural lashes to have a little bit more volume and not length. So I just like to take a volume mascara, like this one, and just apply it. I don't want to apply too much, but not too little, just in between. Now that we have that, now we're going to apply the lashes. So we're going to take again the eyelash. It's a little loosened. Now we're going to take the glue. I'm going to take the House of Lashes. This is the one I like to use the most. So what I'm going to do, just going to take a little bit of glue and just go in the band. We don't want to apply too much or too little. We just want to apply enough, and also apply a little bit more to the outer corners because that's where it tends to loosen up a little throughout the day or night, and we don't want a flying lash. And also, applying lashes takes a lot of practice. I remember when I started applying lashes, it was the most stressful thing. Another thing I want to talk about, each lash, their band, which is the part, this part, it's going to be different. This is a more thicker band, but ARDELL has this invisible bands, which I don't think they're invisible, but you can still see them, and they're a little bit more thinner, much thinner than this one's. KOKO Lashes has a thick band. This Lily Lashes also. This Kiss eyelashes do have a very thin band, so it's most natural lashes are gonna have that thin band, so it looks more natural instead of bam. So we're gonna let the glue dry for about 30-40 seconds and apply it to our lashes. So you want to get as close as your natural lash line. So you can go like this. I like to go up, go like this, and just boop. Ooh. Now we're gonna fix the lash. I like to go with my fingers sometimes with tweezers. You wanna get those edges. Ooh! You really wanna make sure they're in there. And what I like to do, because these tweezers have like a little bit longer, I like to actually press my natural lashes and the fake eyelashes like so. This is kind of scary, but oh! And another trick I just learned, if you just go like this on the outer corner, it's gonna that eyelash. I don't like to apply mascara after the lashes because this is gonna make the eyelash wear a little bit shorter. If you didn't know, you can wear your lashes up to 20-30 times if you take good care of them. More inexpensive brands can be a little bit less time, but you can use it about to 10-15 times. But I know Lily Lashes, you can wear it up to 20-30 times if you take very good care of them. And one of the things about taking care of them is not applying mascara after the application. So that's that. Now we're gonna do the other eye. If you see your eyelash band is a little bit straight, you just wanna take it and make it go like this, wiggle it. If you have downturned eyes, I do recommend lashes there that at the end are a little bit longer, because it's gonna really bring up your eye. The size and the shape of your eye doesn't matter in lashes, it's just the style you like. I like more of a dramatic lash, but sometimes I do like a little bit more natural. Many people like more dramatic, like dramatic all day long. And other people don't like, they like more of a natural lash, but I like both. I get the best of both worlds. Again, trying to get into the base of my eyelash. Ooh, and here. Trying to fix it. Not fix it, but get it in there. Sometimes you don't put it right, but if the glue is still a little bit where you can actually move the eyelash. Again, just gonna do my trick. Putting them together. So that's the eyelash application. Another trick I love to do is apply eyeliner up there. It makes the eyelash look a lot fuller and doesn't give that. Sometimes when you take pictures or you're talking to someone, you can see their waterline being just nude and it doesn't look natural. It looks natural, of course, but it doesn't look good. I don't like it. It's one of my pet peeves. Like, girl, put some up there. And also makes your eyelashes look like fuller. So, I'll just take my Marc Jacobs. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. It's the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black color. I'm just gonna take it, and I don't know, so I'm just gonna go like this and apply it down there. I don't know if you can tell a difference, but this one looks a little bit more fuller and this one looks a little bit more natural. I like it to look a lot fuller. I do this every single day because my lashes are very short. I just like to apply a little bit eyeliner up there and it's gonna make them look fuller. Now I'm just gonna apply mascara to my lower lash lines and I'll be right back. I've applied a little bit of mascara in my lower lashes, so we are done. So yeah, thank you love so much for watching. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video, and also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. I'm trying to be very consistent with my uploading agenda. I think I'm gonna be uploading Tuesdays and Fridays. I don't know if I should change it to Tuesdays and Thursdays. I want to upload videos 2 times a week. So yeah, just comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. You're gonna help me and I can help you. So yeah, you can also follow me on my vlog channel, which is MTZBeauty Vlogged. Also my other social medias. Don't forget to watch last video, which was my makeup collection, which is and what else? I think that's it. And thank you love so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. How to ow. Okay, so we like Ardell, not Ardell.